Thank you so much for watching this video. It's going to be a brief one, but it was about an interview I've just seen from Craig Slater asking questions to Lance Stroll and Sebastian Vettel. There were really good points discussed that I wanted to share. You know, Lance started by talking about the challenges he foresees from going from a 13-inch wheel car to 18-inch wheels. Just the visibility alone is going to be a challenge. But the big question came when Craig asked Lance, what do you think about the fuss at Abu Dhabi? And what Lance said was telling. Lance says, well, listen, he felt, and I paraphrase him, the rules were being manipulated. Why is that such an important point? Because that's the point that Lewis made. But that's also the point that Martin Brundle was asked by Simon. And Martin went on to say, both him and Damon Hill, well, if you're going to use the word manipulating or manipulated, you better have some very good lawyers and very deep pockets. We know Lance Stroll's dad is a billionaire, but I think Lance Stroll, besides his money, had the bravery, the courage to speak truth to power from the inside out. Now, Sebastian Vettel started by talking about rules are rules, and Formula One's podium has been the same for a long time for a reason. There's a 1, there's a 2, and a 3. It is no problem for drivers to accept their position if the rules are constant and within the guidelines. I thought that's a telling story. But then he was asked by Craig, what do you think about Formula One taking away the knee? And according to Formula One, they said because of an additional $1 million donation, creating 11 more scholarships, they decided to take away the knee. We know that Formula One is still going to keep the we race as one. And I always said this. Formula One was never comfortable with the knee. Formula One management, I don't think they were ever comfortable because each time they showed that 20% of the drivers on the knee versus the rest, I felt they were uncomfortable. But what Sebastian Vettel said is telling. He says, why are you going to take away the knee when the condition that made the knee passable is still the same? There's no change. The reason why we were doing the knee in 2021 is still present. Then why are you taking it away? He talked about the importance that despite the fact that only 20% of the drivers took the knee, it was very important that those 20% have an opinion and express it, just like the 80% felt the need to stand. I think it was a really good point. He says it is important that Formula One let us have an opinion. He says, and he said this, he hopes that the drivers find a replacement. He followed it by saying that's going to be controversial. It's going to maybe against business, corporate behavior, a PC. But he felt that he hopes that Formula One drivers that took the knee find a replacement. I think it's more than valid. Well, I'm going to say PS only because I am traveling tomorrow. I'm going back home to the state of Maryland from the state of Florida where I've been since 2009. I'm going to be driving. It's going to take me 12 and a half hours with no traffic. So I'll be really busy all day tomorrow. Wish me luck. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and have a great day. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.